Hey guys, Tariq here. I don't know about you, but I don't like the fact that when I'm zoomed out and I can see my whole image, I can't move it around my Photoshop document. Because when I'm working in one of the bottom corners or looking to remove the graffiti off this rock, I'd like to be able to work in the middle of my screen without always having to zoom in. To help with this on a Mac, you can go up to Photoshop, Preferences, Tools, and click on Overscroll, and then hit OK. And now I can see my whole image and I can navigate and move it around. It's not locked in the center of my viewing area. If you found this information valuable, please make sure to like the video for the YouTube algorithm for others to find this video as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss videos just like this one that I will be posting in the future. Thanks for watching.